Alrighty, so let's go give those things a try that we've learned here. This is the AND chip, then the OR chip, and then the NOT chip. So I will explain how it's all wired up in the end. First, we're just going to see how this all works. Right now, all the chips are off, or all the buttons are off, and we're turning them on, and there you go. Because this is the AND chip, if you remember, this is only true if all the components are true. So even if we have two of them on and one of them off, it's still going to be false. The moment we turn the last one on, that's when it becomes true. That's when you can activate the fitting door. This is the any chip. So if any of them are true, doesn't matter which one, as long as one of them are, multiple can be as well. This is the NOT. This is the invert. Notice how this is off, the button's off, but the door is open. If you turn it on, the door becomes off, because when the button's on, the chip itself is off, as you can see, 0. When the button is off, the chip is on. Last but not least, this is a target finder. This is very simple. When it finds a target, it outputs 1. Well, let's combine all this and see what we can do. Here we have an AND chip, a NOT chip, and a target finder. So right now, it activates how you'd think. When you get closer, it opens up the door. But what is this inside? It's a door lock. Let's change that to 1 and see what happens. Even though the target finder is detecting someone, it's not opening the door. How does this work? Well, if you wire the A up to the NOT invert, you could wire it up to the button first, it doesn't matter which, and then wire the B to the target finder. It's only going to be true if both the chip and the target finder are true. Well, the target finder is true whenever it finds a target. The NOT is true when its component is false. So, you wire up the A to the button. Since the button is currently on right now, the door lock is on. So you'll see here that the dynamic button, or that the NOT invert chip is currently false. So, this is not going to activate. The AND chip is not going to activate. The fading door is obviously linked to the AND. But if we turn this off, the NOT is now true, which means this will become true the moment the target finder finds us, opening up the door.